Max has a mystery. Oh boy, what could it be? Max's mystery mailbox. Max's mystery mailbox.
Everyone meet Max the dog. Max the dog, meet everyone. Max loves a lot of things. Max loves his family and his friends. Max loves slime and Legos and dog treats and unicorns. But most of all, Max likes getting mail. Max, do you know how the mail is delivered? Well, each day a post person comes through your neighborhood to your house, even if it's raining, even if it's snowing, even if it's thundering. And that person delivers mail to you. Are you ready to see what's in your mailbox? Max, you have mail. Who do you think it's from? Do you think it's from your neighbor Barry? No. Do you think it's from your friend from school, Harry? No. Max, I bet it's from your mom. Would you like to find out? Let's open it together. Max, it's a cupcake. Do you like cupcakes? Would you like to smell the cupcake? What flavor does it smell like? Does it smell like chocolate? No, dogs can't eat chocolate. Max, does it smell like worms and dirt? No, dogs wouldn't like to eat worms and dirt. Max, let's take one more smell. Does it smell like vanilla? Vanilla. Max, when you were a little pup, did your mom make you vanilla cupcakes? And did you used to share them with your friends? Max, would you like a special taste of this cupcake? Are you ready? Yum, 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 yum. Is it delicious? Good boy, Max. Max, do you think there's any more mail in your mailbox? I'm gonna say yes. Should we check? Max, you have mail. Ooh, Max, it's a shiny package. Do you think it's from your sister? No. Do you think it's from your teacher at school? No. I bet it's from your girlfriend Molly. Should we find out? Let's open and see. Friends, what do you think it is? Is it another cupcake? No. It feels like something more magical. Max, it's a unicorn. Look, it's blue and white, and it has a horn. And it can fly around on my finger. Max, do you want to say hi? Hi, unicorn. Unicorn, do you want to say hi to Max? Hi, Max. Unicorn, do you want to say hi to our friends? Hi, friends. Max, would you like to play with this unicorn? Let's see, can the unicorn walk? Yep. Can the unicorn smell? Yep. Can the unicorn tickle? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Why, yes, he can. Max, it looks like it's the unicorn's time to go. Do you want to wave bye? Bye, unicorn. And bye to all of our friends. See you next time. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Thanks for the fun we shared. Max loves how much you cared. Max's Mystery Mailbox. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.